Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 10-color digital 60 PSI Boost Gauge. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm boost gauge with a digital display and a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 2-foot power harness, a 60 PSI boost pressure sensor, a mounting bracket and hardware, a gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.